Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link Khan Academy and College Board. This connection is crucial for personalized SAT practice, offering you a powerful tool to boost your scores. By linking, you unlock a world of free, customized resources designed to target your specific areas for improvement. It's a straightforward process that can significantly impact your test preparation, guiding you toward achieving your best possible score on the SAT. To begin, first log into your Khan Academy account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dedicated SAT practice section. Here, you will find a clear option to link your College Board account. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection, which typically involves signing into your College Board account. This secure process allows Khan Academy to access your SAT or SAT scores, creating a personalized study plan just for you. Once your accounts are linked, Khan Academy will analyze your SAT or SAT results to identify your strengths and weaknesses. You will then receive highly personalized practice recommendations, ensuring you focus your efforts where they will have the greatest impact. This targeted approach helps you efficiently improve your skills. You can also track your progress over time, see your scores improve, and set new, ambitious goals for your SAT preparation journey. If you encounter any issues while linking your accounts, first ensure you are using the same email address for both your Khan Academy and College Board profiles. Sometimes, a simple browser refresh or clearing your cache can resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, do not hesitate to contact the support teams for both Khan Academy and College Board for assistance. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers, along with other helpful deals, to make your study breaks more efficient and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.